Okay, this video is going to show you real quickly how to take the test runs off of the BMG Reader computer and export them out onto a thumb drive or your network drive and put them onto your own computer for analysis outside of the reader. The first thing you want to do is click on the Open button, and that'll show you a list of all the current test runs that have been run. If I'd like to copy all of the colors here, all of these replicate runs, I'm going to click on the Control tab, and I'm going to click on whichever ones individually that I'd like to have, or I can click on the Shift tab and choose all of them in that list. So it's really up to you of which ones you'd like to do. Then you're going to click on the Export button at the top, and it's going to combine all of those test runs into one file that is listed on your drive here with a plus sign. You can see the plus sign right there. So we're going to choose our desktop, we're going to choose a thumb drive, we're going to choose whatever we want for our save to location. I'm going to choose a BMG test runs folder for mine, and I'm going to click on Save. When I want to export that file, now it's exported, and I can close out this and it's done. If I go over to my computer that I want to import those test files into, I'm going to do exactly the same process, except what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Open button and we're going to choose Import. When I click on Import now, I'm going to get the folder on my thumb drive or the network drive, wherever that is, and see that test run with the plus sign and click on Open. And that will import all those files for you and allow you to work on those test runs at your own desktop without having to work at the reader itself.